Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can talk to someone in Tinder for free without any subscriptions. So let's get started. So first, what we want to do is actually go to tinder.com, and after that, you want to sign up if you don't have an account yet, or if you already have an account, you can just log in using your email or phone number. You can easily register and you see your email phone number. Also, you just need to verify it and then you're all good. And then you might also want to edit your info here so that other people could have a better glimpse of who you are and what you look like. You could add it here and just click and save, and you would have a higher percentage of completion of your info. So now let's talk about this Tinder Platinum, Tinder Gold, and Tinder Plus. You can actually have any of this that you want. Let's say you want Tinder Platinum and you want it for 6 months, let's say. Then you can actually have access to this, but you would need to check this out, and then you need to provide your card here because you need to buy it. But don't worry, after a few weeks or 1 week maybe, because I have used this free for 1 week and then I canceled it and I got my money back, and that is how I enjoyed the Tinder Platinum for free in 1 week. So I just need to provide the details here and then buy now, and then don't forget to control your subscriptions and talk to our help support of Tinder and say that you want to refund your money because you didn't actually mean to do this and you didn't find what you're looking for, you're not satisfied with what you have received. Then they will provide you a refund, just like what they did to me. They'll provide you the refund for the purchase that you have made here in Tinder Platinum or Gold or Plus, and that is how you talk to someone here in Tinder for free. Because with this Tinder Platinum, you have all the features Tinder could have. You don't have any limits or anything. You can do whatever you want.